FLEXA is a CNC router which has been designed by AES Group to make entry-level applications. Besides wood, it can make processing for plastic, plexiglass, and alucobond type materials. HPL working table and high-quality rack and pinions allow high-level usage. All axis driven by servo motors ensures control with excellent acceleration during processing. It presents creative solutions with its easy usage interface and flexible CAD/CAM applications and finishes nesting and 3D routing applications fast and easy way. High-technology spindle motor ensures excellent results on sizing, surface processing, and 3D routing applications. FLEXA presents suitable solutions for entry-level applications with high-quality equipment and low-cost pricing mentality.